Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few dessert hacks from 5-minute crafts and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Our first hack looks very interesting. First, let's make the cake batter. In a plastic bottle, place a funnel. Then add half cup maida, half cup sugar. Then I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder from Ajanta. So in this video, I'm going to use Ajanta combo of 4 products: cocoa powder, custard powder, vanilla flavor and baking powder. Then for the batter, add 1/4 cup of oil, 1 beaten egg. And I shot this video before Navratri, that's why I'm using egg. You can try these recipes after Navratri gets over. Then I'm adding half teaspoon of vanilla flavor from Ajanta. This vanilla flavor is completely free from alcohol and doesn't have any artificial fragrance. And the best part about the vanilla flavor bottle is that it has a perfect dropper which is mess free. Remove the funnel and close the bottle. Now shake it vigorously until there are no lumps in the batter. For the chocolate batter, all the other ingredients are same. Just I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder from Ajanta. By the smell only, I can say that the cocoa is very rich. And the fun fact here is it is low in fat, which is amazing. Again, mix the batter in the bottle very well. Here I've greased a cake mold and lined a baking paper. First, I'm adding the vanilla batter. I'm adding approximately 1 tablespoon each. Then I'm adding the chocolate batter over it. I'm going to repeat the same and keep overlapping the batters until it fills the mold. My batter was stuck at one place because it was thick. So I added 1 to 2 tablespoons more milk in both the batters and moved the mold so that it spreads equally. Thoda shape bigad gaya, but it's fine. Keep adding the batter. It's giving it a nice spiral pattern. Now bake it for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It's risen pretty well, so the effect of only 1/4 teaspoon of Ajanta baking powder is also good. Don't forget to remove the baking paper from the cake. The cake is very light, it's not at all heavy. Let's cut a slice and see the inside. Wow, there are layers inside as well. It is very fluffy and airy. Now I'm going to drizzle chocolate sauce over it. And let's taste it. That is surprisingly so good. In the 5-minute crafts video, they didn't mention any recipe, so I just eyeballed it. Even then, it's perfect. The vanilla and chocolate is obviously a great combination. I can taste both the flavors very prominently. Absolutely love the result of the Ajanta products and love the hack as well. Both of them are a success. For the next hack, in a bowl I'm adding half cup maida, half cup castor sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of Ajanta baking powder, 2 tablespoon Ajanta cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 whole egg and 1/4 cup of Coca-Cola. Whisk it into smooth consistency using a hand blender. Grease the cupcake molds. Add the batter into it. Fill till 3/4 of the mold. Last mein thoda batter kam pad gaya, so I added milk, which is fine. Now bake it for 30 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Again, no recipe was mentioned, yet the cupcakes have risen so well. I guess that's because of the Ajanta baking powder and the egg combination. The milk ones also turned out decent, but the other ones are just perfect. It is so soft and airy. You can see how spongy it is. I'm going to top it up with chocolate sauce. You can pipe whipping cream over it. Let's taste it now. Wow, just look at that texture, so good. It is extremely chocolatey, yet it melts in your mouth. It's very decadent. I wish I added chocolate chips. That would take these muffins up a notch. Definitely give it a try, and it was undoubtedly a big success. For the next hack, I'm adding half cup of milk in a saucepan. Then I'm adding half teaspoon of Ajanta vanilla flavor. To that, add 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal powder and whisk till the powder melts completely. Switch off the flame once you get a boil and let it cool down for a bit. Then add it into a blender and blend for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm serving it into a cup. Okay, I didn't get that thick foam like their video. Maybe I should have blended it for more time, or I don't know the trick behind it, but it's fine. Let's taste it. Wow, it is really good. Maybe because of the vanilla flavor, it's tasting like caramel latte. There's no taste of the charcoal powder, but the good thing is the charcoal powder has melted beautifully and it's not irritating my mouth. So this hack was a success. For the next hack, I've melted 1/4 cup of butter. To that, add 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter and mix it. Now, in a microwave safe mug, add 1/4 cup of caster sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 egg, and mix it using a fork. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of maida, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, pinch of salt, and half teaspoon of Ajanta baking powder. Mix it all together. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of choco chips and the peanut butter mixture we made. Mix it in. Microwave it for 2 minutes at 30 seconds interval. You can see how beautifully it is rising. Now top it off with vanilla ice cream. Looks really nice. Let's taste it now. Again, the texture is amazing. It's very moist, airy, spongy, and all at the same time. For a mug cake, it's extremely decadent. The peanut butter flavor is prominent, but the chocolate flavor is very intense, which I personally like. It's a very quick and easy recipe. If you're craving for something sweet, this is the recipe you should definitely try. It was a success. For the next hack, in the bowl I'm adding 1 teaspoon caster sugar, 1 teaspoon matcha powder, 3 tablespoon milk, 1 teaspoon of the custard powder from Ajanta, mix till there are no lumps. Now I'm going to inject the mixture into an injection. Add it into the balloon and refrigerate it for 8 to 10 hours. So I let it set overnight. Now I'm going to cut the balloon. Hardly 1 to 2 tablespoon mixture could fit into it and the balloon didn't blow like that video, but it looks quite set. Cutting the balloon is a huge task here. Since it's very sticky, it's hard to cut the balloon as well. Finally, after struggling a lot, the matcha custard is out. Since it was stuck to the balloon, the outer layer doesn't have the shine like that video. Now I'm going to drizzle some caramel sauce over it. Let's cut and see the inside. Surprisingly, the texture is beautiful. The taste is okay. First, I'm getting the caramel flavor and the aftertaste is of matcha, which I'm not a huge fan of. But it's very creamy and the custard powder set it so well. It's perfectly wobbly and jelly-like. So this hack was a success. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Ajanta Food Products Company. I enjoyed and absolutely love these products a lot. It is high in quality, very budget friendly, and love the packaging. It's available on Flipkart, so you should definitely order it and try the products now. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.